Ooh, he's a strong bastard.
You start with natural beers. What makes the tomato sauce different?
If you pass out, I promise I'll send you first. Today we're training with Eddie Hall and then cooking my proper meal. Right, so normally I feel a bit light about. I thought Eddie's coming, so we're going to make sure we do it.
Testosterone's flowing.
Absolutely. I wank a lot.
You can tell. I'll warm up and I'll do my warm up.
You think so? Alright. That's my top point, by the way. He said, I was going to turn the weight. It's so big, isn't it? Look at the size of it. If you pass out, I promise I'll sit on your face.
I make the promises.
How was that?
That's good.
It's good, isn't it?
That's how you train, you just superset.
Always, yeah. Superset, giant set, whatever, different. I know, great fun. Absolutely, right. Yeah, let's go again. Come on, let's put more weight on.
Good man.
Felt that. He's a strong bastard.
You started when you were 4 to 50.
15, yeah.
So you've been lifting what, 45, 46 years?
46 years. And I love training, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I love the feeling. I never stop.
You train every day?
Monday to Friday.
And that's weekends off?
Weekends off, yeah.
That's a good way to do it.
And I say, back to 7. You don't have them in your gym.
No.
8, 9, 9 things out. 10. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, nice. Therapeutic.
Absolutely. You smell really nice. You smell really nice. What is it? You smell like a girl.
I don't put anything on.
No, it smells nice.
That's my natural beers.
Imagine if that was. That's how, you see, that's what I was trained. Get the heart rate up. Absolutely.
Yeah, get the cardio going as well.
Absolutely, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, I feel like I've done an hour and a half workout.
It does, doesn't it?
In 20 minutes, yeah.
That's how I train. I've trained like that for a while too.
Very eye-opening.
Ooh. And what we want to do is we want to go down to the shop by the butcher's down there, get some beef liver.
Okay.
And then we're going to come to the kitchen and show you.
You're going to prep some.
Your special guest.
Oh. Big man.
Big man.
Hey.
Yeah.
How are you, mate? You alright?
So, beef liver.
Yep.
How much of it can you eat?
I mean, I can eat whatever you put in.
I'll eat 4, Eddie will eat the other 6. Eddie.
I'll eat 9.
No, give me 15. How much? Yeah. I just realized he's here. Eddie, you cows, man. That's all I can look at. We got food here.
Ah, well, I'm eating soon.
We've got my 2 Eddies here. What a dream. And we were making lunch on the first meal. What do you fry your stuff in?
Always fats. Butter,
Yeah.
butter or fat?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Butter or fat.
I can't have dairy, so I'm a beef dripping now, but if I could butter, I would. Okay, so that hot. And while we're frying this off and letting it melt, careful, black zone. I'm going to get you to cut this liver. That's a lot.
And then you chop your finger and you fall down. I'll have to give you mouth to mouth.
Oh! Right, I've never touched liver before.
You have it.
Completely different texture.
Yeah.
It's not like meat at all.
I know.
The last time I probably tried liver was when my nan was probably about, I'm going to say 6, 7 years old. My nan would have liver and onions.
Yeah, but these
that is delicious.
Nans used to cook it until it tasted like shoe, didn't it?
Yes.
You cooked the out of it.
And it did taste like shoe.
Yeah, no, this would not taste like shoe.
Yeah, the trick is to not overdo it. That's the
Okay.
I'm just a bit disturbed how comfortable Eddie is with the knife. He's cutting really well. Look at it.
really well. Better than Dad. Dad doesn't listen to me like that.
So I'm a good listener.
I'm not used to that.
I don't.
Yeah, true. Should see him try and peel an avocado. Oh my gosh. It's tragic.
I peel avocado the way I was taught as a child. Cut it and then peel that.
Yeah, that's
Cheese spoon.
He has it literally, it's all up his arm. Like, that's not how you do it. I'm also going to add a bit of salt.
I'm a big fan of salt.
Yeah.
We have a massive tub of salt in the kitchen and absolutely everything. Put salt on everything.
You know what?
Literally, yeah.
People always say salt is bad. Salt is not bad for you at all.
It's like the government sold it to people in
Yeah,
the 90s.
low
didn't they?
salt.
The
Remember the low
was bad.
salt
Yeah.
nonsense, I know.
Absolute garbage.
So we're going to take that off, add it to our tray here,
Okay.
and then we're going to serve up your lunch.
This is all, this is all yours.
Yeah, this is one
This is all yours. Where's the feta?
What makes the tomato sauce different to normal tomato sauce?
What about your death row meal, Dad?
That's a great question.
What?
Was it?
Your death row
Yeah,
meal.
so your last meal before being executed.
You're going.
I can't say it because
And-
my daughter's my reverend daughter here.
Alright, okay. I know the answer then.
What's your death row meal?
Mine, it would definitely be pizza and cheesecake
Mad.
with a pint of ginger beer.
Such a real. Ginger beer tastes like spicy ass.
Right. How do you know what spicy ass tastes like?
I'm a chef.
You should always say, so I've heard. Not from personal experience.
That'd be a lie.
Ah,
Wait, you can talk, love.
your dad's here. And your mum's here as well.
Yeah, some respect.
Exactly. Wash your mouth. So,
Yeah,
Right,
sing
you peeled 6 eggs, I'm still on the first one.
literally anything for me.
I eat a big bag of dicks, right?
That's right there.
What's usually your first meal then? What's your first?
Usually my first meal of the day is 200 gram of smoked salmon, raw, obviously.
Oh, good.
100 gram of kippers, 100 gram of cottage cheese, 2 pieces of sourdough bread,
Yeah.
and then organic carrots and organic blueberries.
So your dad's not as I thought it was going to be.
No, this is why I'm been such a good avid follower of you, is because everything you eat and do, I'm like, I resonate so much.
Brilliant.